So we're gonna do. So basically, there's two ways to reset the mating light. So turn on the power 2 times. Push the trip OBDO button into say trip A. Turn off the power. Hold out the trip button and push the power 2 times or 3 times. And keep holding it until it flash finish. Okay, so that's one way. So I'm going to turn off the power again and show you how to do it. Show you how to do the other way. The other way is turn on the power 2 times. And now we're gonna do is see that one. It say go back, right? So what you're gonna do is here is push back, back again. Then when you get to here, go to the right into say this area. I guess this is setting. Then go down. Into say schedule. No, not schedule. Yes, schedule mating. Push it. Enter. Reset data. Go up. And push yes. And that's it. And if you want to go back, just push back. Push to the left where you want to, where you left off last time. And that's it.